Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Huawei MatePad 2022 along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So, let's start. Huawei MatePad 2022 supports a 10.4-inch IPS full-view touchscreen display with a resolution of 2000 x 120 pixels, 16.7 million colors, and 417 nits brightness. MatePad 2022 features a multi-window mode, as well as the Huawei Share multi-screen collaboration. It is also TÜV Rheinland certified. Tablet is powered by an octa-core Kirin 710A processor made up of 4 Cortex-A73 clocked at 2.0 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.7 GHz. Processor is accompanied by a Mali G51 GPU. Processor is paired with 4GB RAM while the device comes with 64GB and 128GB storage. Options with support for expansion up to 512GB. MatePad features a 13MP main camera at the rear with f1.8 aperture and autofocus slate. Also comes with an 8MP selfie camera. Rear camera takes 4160 x 3120 pixels resolution for photos and up to 1920 x 1080 pixels of camera resolution. One interesting aspect is the 7250 mAh battery on board. With support for 22.5 watt fast charging. Tablet also comes with an ambient light sensor, color temperature sensor, and more. Sound system is also tweaked by Harman Kardon. MatePad 4GB plus 64GB version is priced at €279 and 4GB plus 128GB version is priced at €319. Finally, there is a 4GB plus 128GB bundled with a smart keyboard priced at €379. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box, and if you have come to our channel for the first time then please subscribe our channel.